This is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce this very long German wine term that corresponds to the highest sweetness level for the grapes for making Prädikat wine in the German classification system, including for the Rieslings in the Mosel. So this term means that the grapes were harvested very late, so late in fact that they were not only affected by the botrytis fungus, but also they started drying up and becoming extremely concentrated. As a consequence, the wines that bear this name, Trockenbeerenauslese, on the label are going to be extremely concentrated, and in fact being some of the most expensive wines in the world. Yes, if you look at the top list of all the most expensive wines in the world, many Burgundies, but also many Trockenbeerenauslese Rieslings from Grand Cru vineyards in the Mosel. So how do you go about pronouncing this term? Well, first, Trocken, which means dry, so meaning that the wines were made from dried grapes, and then Beerenauslese. So Trockenbeerenauslese, Trockenbeerenauslese, Trockenbeerenauslese. My German is probably not perfect since I'm French and I don't speak German, but I think it's pretty close to what it should be. Trockenbeerenauslese, Trockenbeerenauslese. If it's not exactly that and you are a German speaker, let us know in the comments. Trockenbeerenauslese. Fantastic Riesling wines called Trockenbeerenauslese. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work. Here is a video explaining what is an Auslese wine, and I will be making videos about the different Prädikat levels for the German system of classifying wines. I hope this video was useful, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye-bye.